Okay. So what is succession management? Can anybody tell me what is succession management? Okay. So let us take, okay. There is one person. Okay, let us take Mitch Blum. Okay, there is one person, Mitch Blum. Okay. So he is his position is director of benefits. Okay. Is critical for our business. Company business. Okay. If all of a sudden he resigns, if we resign the company, what is our situation? Company's impact. What is the impact? Are we prepared for that one? What is the impact? If we resign, are we prepared for that? Are we prepared for that?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is one of the important question. Are we prepared for that? So all of a sudden, if he resigns, all of a sudden, if he got died, are we prepared? Or he met with an accident? He met with an accident, and minimum next 6 months or next 1 year, he will be on the bed rest. He will not able to look over company work. Okay, are we prepared for that? Met with an accident, because anything can happen, right? So are we prepared for that? No. So these kind of questions, who will answer means in Oracle HCM, talent management, succession management will answer. Which module will answer these questions? Succession management will answer.
Succession management.
Okay, are we prepared? So preparation, planning. So all comes as a part of succession planning or succession management. Succession means next step. Successor means next person. Okay, succession means next step, what we have to do. Successor means next person. Okay. So succession plan. There are 3 types of succession plans. 3 types of succession plans. Number 1 is incumbent or individual plan. 80% we will create succession plan for individuals only, because so mostly if somebody resigns in a critical position, that will have a major impact on the business. Second one is job. So job. Third one is position. We will create succession plan for individuals or incumbent. Incumbent means individual. For job, we will create a succession plan for the job. We will create succession plan for the position. So how many types of succession plans we are having?
3 types, sir.
3 types.
3
Incumbent,
types.
job, position.
Incumbent, job, and
Position.
Okay. So now today we are going to see incumbent plan or individual plan. So there are 2 ways to create incumbent plan. We will see today how we create incumbent plan in 2 ways. So in order to create the succession planning, log in with HCM_IMPL1 or HCM implementation users. Okay. All these roles are required. Log in with HCM_IMPL1. So to create succession plan, it required a lot of roles and all. So for this one, HCM_IMPL1 is sufficient. You can copy from this one. To create one user or copy from this user. You create a user and add the roles, or you copy from this user. Anything is fine. So these are the roles that are required. Okay, you just copy from HCM_IMPL1. Okay, click on done. So next important point is when you create a succession plan for an individual, let us take an example, Mitch Blum. He should be active in the system. He should be active, means assignment status. Assignment status should be active. Assignment status should be active in the system. Okay, this is one of the important aspect. While you create any succession plan for that incumbent, what is assignment status should be?
Active.
Active. You also should be active in the class. Okay, you should also active in the class. Okay, we'll create an incumbent plan. The assignment status for the particular employee or for the particular person should be active. Okay, so mainly what is the advantage of succession planning is for seamless operations, seamless business operations or business contingent, so continuity. So business continuity is the most important advantage of succession plan. Okay, so you are having all the theoretical stuff here. So it is a robust module designed to ensure business continuity by identifying and developing internal talent. So whom we are identifying as a backup internal persons only, right? To fill the critical roles. It's not just about replacing someone when they leave. It's a proactive strategy to build a strong leadership pipeline and address potential skill gaps. So first of all, we are seeing incumbent plan. So this type of succession plan is set up against a key worker, such as a president or CEO or vice president of engineering, something who are at a key level. Okay. At a job, succession plan related to job we will create for a particular job. Let us take job as senior development manager. Okay, somebody in a particular job, senior development manager resigns. Immediately we will identify who are the next best fit for this senior development manager, or who are at least intern, who will take the responsibilities. Okay, position, same thing. Job and position both are same, right? So what is the difference between job and position? Can anybody tell me?
A specific instance.
Position is a specific instance of a job in a particular business unit. It's simple, one line answer. Position is a specific instance of a job within a particular business unit. Okay. So what are the benefits of succession planning? Okay. Succession planning helps us to identify the successors for key employees. Identifying employees who are ready now. Somebody who are ready immediately can replace the person, or who can be ready in 1 or 2 years by if we provide proper training and all. So they can fit the particular person. Person means here incumbent or individual. So with the help of succession management, we can reduce the risk to minimum disruption due to critical leadership vacancy. Data-driven decisions. So we will be taking decisions based upon proper data, not like intuition. Just by gut feeling, we are not taking anything. We are taking decisions based upon the data. So improved employee engagement. When we keep somebody in this plan, automatically we will inform, okay, you are the next backup for this particular role, or for this particular position, or for the particular person. So people also get motivated. Okay, if tomorrow vice president of engineering resigns, I'll take that position. Means I have to be ready. So I have to take proper training. I have to do a lot of hard work. So my rank should get improved. I'll tell you how the ranking and all. It's actually proper planning, right? Strategic workforce planning. So we are properly planning the workforce if somebody resigns. So proactively addressing future talent needs aligned with the business strategy. And efficiency. So when you are following a proper plan, obviously the efficiency will increase, reducing the manual effort of HR. So these are the benefits of succession planning. So now we will see how we will create a succession plan in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Okay, login with the implementation user. So my client groups, Okay, before going here, just we will go to setup and maintenance. Setup and maintenance. So here in the talent, okay, select workforce development. Workforce development. In the workforce development, select succession management. So what are the two important things? There are no
Succession
required tasks. There
management,
are only two tasks. Succession
succession
management lookup,
management lookups, talent pool security profile.
talent pool security profile. Okay, these are the lookups. So let us take plan type. So earlier we used to have 5 plan types: incumbent, job, position, job profile, and job family. But after 2018, they have discontinued these 2 plans. So this is system defined, means Oracle seeded plan types. We cannot change, we cannot edit, we cannot delete. So what are the 3 plans we are having? Incumbent, job, and position. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is a lookup. So succession plan status, either it should be active or inactive. The plan status is either active or inactive. So here also it is a system lookup. So for any kind of system lookup, we cannot add or we cannot delete. Only we can verify what are the values inside. So candidate status, succession planning candidate status. Status is either active or inactive here also. Readiness category. So this is the readiness category. So this is extensible lookup. If you want to add any lookup, if you want to add any value, we can add a value. Suppose let us take, I want to change from 3 to 4 years to 3 to 5 years. Okay. I can change this one. 3 to 5 years, people will get ready. Instead of 3 to 4 years, I'm changing it to 3 to 5 years. So there is one thing that is ready now. So that is provided by system. We cannot delete that one. Okay. So all remaining all we can delete or we can update. Okay. So instead of 3 to 4 years, I have changed it to 3 to 5 years. Now click on save. I'll show you where this 3 to 5 years will come. So risk of loss. This is also system lookup. Plan strength. So plan strength, how it looks like. So what are the criteria that is going to impact? Incumbents at high risk of loss. So these are the lookups provided by Oracle. Okay. Now we will go to succession plan. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new plan. Who is the incumbent here? Incumbent means for whom we are creating this plan. So what is the plan type here? We are selecting incumbent. Okay. So here I am selecting incumbent as Mitch Blum, Director of Benefits. So his position means his job is Director of Benefits. So name. So what I will create is incumbent plan for Mitch Blum. Incumbent succession plan. We will mention like SP. Incumbent succession plan for Mitch Blum. Okay, it's succession plan, right? What is the plan type? Plan type is incumbent. Incumbent means individual. So who is the individual here? For whom we are creating this succession plan?
Mitch Blum.
Mitch Blum. So if Mitch Blum tomorrow he dies, or tomorrow he resigns the company, or tomorrow he met with an accident, are we prepared for that or not?
Yes, sir.
We are preparing for that. Preparing for any kind of uncertainty or uncertain events. So who are the candidates who are ready or who can become a backup for this particular person?
Yes, sir.
Let us take Curtis Pitty. He is also HR specialist. So readiness available. Readiness. So I've added 3 to 5 years, right?
Yes, sir.
This is called as lookup. We can change it to 5 to 10 years also. Or 4 to 5 years or 4 to 6 years. It depends. So let us take Curtis Pitty is ready now. We will give the rank as number 1. Okay, his status active. So what are the two status we are having? Person status active, inactive, right?
Active and inactive.
So we are giving Curtis Fitty number 1 rank to replace the or as a backup on add. We have added one candidate. So I want to add another. So Mirinda. So Mirinda, she is a generalist. Suppose if you give training in less than 1 year, she will replace the person or she will become a backup for a Mitch Blum. Okay, internal candidate. Okay, click on add. Okay, we have added two persons. So one is ready now, readily available. If today or tomorrow Mitch Blum resigns the company or some uncertain event happens, immediately. Okay, now I want to add another person. Okay, here the interim successor. Interim successor means if Curtis Fitty is not available at this position at this time, I want to add somebody as an interim position until Curtis Fitty is available to replace that one. Okay, even the Curtis Fitty is the number 1 person to replace this particular person at the current position, at the current time, he is not available to change that one because of any kind of existing assignments. Okay, I want to make this Bobby Bowl as an interim successor. Okay, interim successor, but he is not readily available. Or let us take we will give less than a year. Number 3. But whenever Mitch Blum has resigned, this particular person will take his role as an interim successor until Curtis Fitty is ready to join the position. This is called as interim successor. Let us take, I will give a proper example. If tomorrow, let us take somebody has Prime Minister Modi has resigned his job as Prime Minister. Immediately, somebody will take up that Prime Minister as an interim Prime Minister. But after 6 months or 1 year, or let us take down the line 6 months, actual Prime Minister will come and join. But in the 6 months, somebody else who is having experience or somebody else who can manage, he will become an interim Prime Minister. But he is not the actual Prime Minister, but he is an interim Prime Minister to maintain the certainty, business continuity. But after 6 months, so whoever is assigned, that person will come and take the responsibility. Interim successor is just like a night watchman. So until tomorrow morning comes, he has to take the responsibility of the job. Something like that. So interim successor means he will immediately take the responsibility until the actual person who is in the number 1 position will come and take the responsibility. Okay, click on add. So everybody understood what is interim responsibility, interim successor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to add a candidate. Because first of all, I'll create a succession plan. Create. We have created a succession plan. Okay. So this is the plan we have created. So what is the plan strength? Plan strength is little bit weak because only 1 person is readily available right now and remaining 2 persons are not readily available. That's why it is showing in a little bit brown color. If it is plan strength is showing green color means the plan is whatever the plan we have created is strong. So now I'll change the status. I'll edit. So I'll change this this person also. Readiness. So ready now. He is also ready. So just I am going to give the rank also 1. Anybody you can choose from either Curtis Fitty or Mirinda. You can choose from either of these 2. So our plan is very strong, right? So how many people who are in the backup plan, that much strength is our plan. Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose let us take consider Indian cricket team. What is called as a bench? Bench means backup. If something all of a sudden some person has got injured, the persons who are in the backup or bench, they will come and play the cricket, right? How much strength is the bench capacity? So if something suddenly happens also, it won't impact our business continuity. So this is the same as the bench. Even in software companies also, we'll have a lot of bench people, right? Who will be ready to take up new assignments. Now we'll go back. So now the strength has increased, right? Why?
Yes, sir.
Strength has
Readiness.
increased, right?
We have
Now the
given two readiness.
readiness of the people who are ready has increased to 2. Earlier we used to have only 1.
Yes, sir.
So now I will change this one. So this person also I want to change. Okay. I want to change. Readiness 1. So here instead of Bobby Ball, I'm removing this as interim successor. I'm making Curtis Fitty as an interim successor. If all of a sudden something happened, Curtis Fitty will become the interim successor. So now we'll go back and verify the strength of the plan. So now it was completely showing in the green color, right? So for this one person, how many people are there to take up that particular job? To take the backup of the person, how many people are ready?
3 people are ready.
3 people are there. That shows the strength of the succession plan. Okay. Okay. Now we will see view succession organization chart. We will see this organization chart. Search for the person to whom we have created. So Mitch Blum. Mitch Blum is the director of the benefits. So risk of loss. Risk of loss is very high. Risk of loss is high. Job criticality is also high. Impact of loss is high. So that's why we have created 2 succession plans. Somebody has created one plan and we have created another plan. So we have created incumbent succession plan for Mitch Blum. Okay. How many plans is having? 2 succession plans.
2 plans.
2 succession plans. Okay. So in this particular plan, whatever the plan we have created, how many people are readily available?
3 people.
2.
3 people are readily available. Suppose if we change this readiness to less than 1 year, the people will show here less than 1 year, 1 or 2 years, no readiness. And if the particular plan is having interim successor, yes, the particular plan is also having interim successor. So this is how we will create succession plan for a particular employee. Okay. Now let's click on add. So here we have seen internal candidates, right? Now suggested candidates means Oracle will provide any suggested candidates for this particular person automatically with the help of embedded artificial intelligence, with the help of embedded AI. So suggested candidates, earlier we used to have best fit. Now they have changed it to suggested candidates. Just we click on suggested candidates. System will automatically verify and show any of the particular person. It's not showing anything. Let us say we will search US1 business unit. So it's not showing anything. Generally it will search, it will show. If any candidates are there, it will show. So external candidate. So if any external candidate is there, we can select that external candidate. And we can add less than 1 year. Rank 2. Click on add. Not only internal candidates, we can add external candidates also to the plan. Okay. We go to view plan history. So this is the plan. So for the last, for this particular person, how many plans we have created so far? These are the plans. So we have created on today, July 30th. Okay. July 30th, we have created. So any talent pool members are there. If any, it will show here. So this is how we will create a particular succession plan for an individual person. Okay, there is another way. So now that it was reduced because we have added external candidate. We have added external candidate, and that's why the plan strength has become reduced. And the person who is the external candidate is ready to join within 1 or 2 years. If we go back to view succession organization chart. So search for Mitch Blum. So earlier, so less than 1 year it was not shown because we have not added. So now it is showing that less than 1 year who is also there in this particular box. Okay.
Yes.
Now we will see whether this Mitch Blum is there in any other succession plan or not. We have created a succession plan for Mitch Blum, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we will see whether this Mitch Blum is there in any other external succession plan or not. Okay, Director HR Service Desk. So it was created for the job. It was created for the position. Incumbent. So let us take, we will see for the incumbent plan. Just for example, I'm showing, I'm adding Mitch Blum. I'm adding Mitch Blum here. I'm adding as a backup for this person. Okay. Less than 1 year. So ranking 2. We can add. Now adding Mitch Blum as one of the backup for Emily Parkins. So Mitch Blum become a backup for Emily Parkins. Okay. Now we will go back to incumbent succession plan. Mitch Blum. Okay. View succession organization chart. Search for Mitch Blum. So this person is a backup for somebody else, Emily Parkins. So this person is in one of the. This person is already existing in one of the succession plans.
Successor plan. Yes.
So this candidate is there in some another succession plan. For him, there are 2 succession plans, but this candidate is there in another person's succession plan.
Successor plan.
Okay. So for him, there are 13 directs without succession plan. There are 13 directs without any succession plan. Mitch Blum is having 13 members as a direct reportees without having any succession plan. That's why it is showing directs without succession plan. If any particular person is having succession plan, it will show here. But all of the directs means who are reporting to Mitch Blum, they don't have any succession plan. So succession plan for this person. So 2 succession plans are there. Incumbent for Mitch Blum and ABC plan. So this person is there in somebody else succession plan. This candidate in this assistant manager retail plan type incumbent. What is the person name? You click on this one. Emily Parkins. The individual person name is Emily Parkins. So just click on view external candidates. So if you want to add any external candidates, just click on, go to the succession overview, click on view external candidates, click on plus symbol, add somebody else. So Tristan Room. Tristan Room. Okay. So if they are asking any other thing, postal code, we will give postal code 73116. Okay. We are creating external candidates. Current employer ADP. Let us check something. I've added external state, external person, state Oklahoma. Okay. Now click on save. I've added the person Tristan Room. Okay. Now I'll go back. I'll include another person, or I'll remove the external person, whatever the person which I have added earlier. Okay, I'll remove this person. Delete. So just while selecting, select external candidate. Here, Tristan Room. Ranking number 2 is readily available for less than 1 year. His external candidate will be readily available within the 1 year. So this is how we will create external candidates and add it to the succession plan. Okay. So everybody understood what is external candidates. Internal candidates means who are within our organization. External candidates means who are not in our organization. They are working in some other company. They will be joining in our company and readily take up this particular role.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we will create a succession plan. Now there is another approach. Just go to my client groups, person spotlight. Search for the person to whom you want to create. Click on the person. Both are same. So it's kind of 2 different ways. Click on succession planning. See, there are 2 plans. So this is the plan name, incumbent plan, incumbent succession plan for Mitch Blum. So these are the people which we have added. So who is the owner? HCM implementation person. If you want to add any other person, you can add. If you want to send any alerts, you can send alerts. Send alerts when candidate move to plan role. If you want to send alerts when candidate move to roles that are different from the plan role. Okay, I want an alert when a candidate moves to the roles that are different from the plan role. And somebody within these 4 people move to some other particular role. Okay, I want a notification. Send alerts when incumbent changes role. Incumbent means this person.
Yes.
When Mitch Blum changes role, we have to get a notification. Click on save. Now we are done with succession planning. Okay. You want to change this one to private, public. Okay. We can go to edit, make it public. So it will become public. Private means suppose you don't want to share this information, only I have to see. Nobody should know. I have created a succession plan for Mitch Blum. Then only I will only access this one. Nobody will. 90% we will create only private only. Okay. If you want to add any other person as a owner, suppose you want to add somebody else as a owner. So there is no employee called a permanent someone. The implementation also. If you want to add any of the person as a owner, you can add. Otherwise, you can leave it. Not a problem. I want to add Randy Amarich. Randy Amarich as a owner. Send alerts to this person. The console. Okay. He is also owner. Randy Amarich is also owner. Okay. So now everybody understood the concept of how we what is meant by succession planning and how we create succession plan for a particular person and how we assign this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
See how to configure external candidates for the plan. Okay. So what are the different roles I have told you? Just you have to go to HCM implementation user. You just select all these roles. So search with this one. So generally we need all these roles. Mainly HR specialist, view all, recruiter role, benefits. So just copy from this one. Okay. Now we will see how to create succession plan for a job. Same thing. Just know which plan we have created,
Incumbent, sir.
which type of plan we have created. Incumbent type of plan.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to create
Incumbent. Now we are creating job.
job. What is the job I want to create? Engineering. So this here we are not going to create any for one person. This is for the particular job. So in this particular business unit, US one business unit, department, software engineering. This is the department. Okay. Now I want to add the candidates. Okay, job. Internal candidate. I want to add somebody like I created one person today. So Madonna. I want to so Madonna, she is an associate vice president. So readiness. Ready now. I'm giving the rank now. Let's click on add. Okay. If you want to add any other external person, okay, internal or external candidate. So I want to add a Christian robot. He is also ready. So or is let us take, we will consider it as less than 1 year. Rank 2. Okay. Now I want to create succession plan. That's it. We have created succession plan, but here the succession plan strength is 50% because one person is ready and another person is ready to take up the job of 1 year. Only 2 candidates are available for this particular job as a backup. So now you understood how to create a succession plan for a job. Same as with position. Position, you have to create a position and select the position. So that assignment is you create 3 plans tomorrow: incumbent, job plan, and position plan. First create a position and then create a succession plan for the position. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.